Hi, I'm Friends. This is Krita, and let's see today why sometimes we cannot cannot paint in Krita. Let's say we're working with this picture. There are many layers, and we choose the brush, but we cannot paint. It can be many reasons why it happens, but most often it can be because, for example, you see the opacity is 0, so we just change it. Now it's okay. Okay, the second reason why can it be is if you are trying to paint on a layer which is not visible. You see, layer is invisible. It's even Krita tells you that it doesn't work. Okay, and one more reason that can be very often is if you have alpha locked on the layer you are painting. You see, now you cannot do anything until you unlock alpha. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.